Alright, 8 years ago I put this top on my Jeep. It's a really good top. It fit nice and tight. It's great on the highway, no flapping. The first couple of years were just spectacular with it. It looks really good too. When it's not on the Jeep, it lives here. It's a 2x4 mounted to the wall and a couple of clamps that I put the windows on. And I have a similar thing where just the clamps are screwed to the studs. Otherwise, it lives outside. When it's not in the garage, it's on the trail. The interior is held up wonderfully. The stitching is all intact. The two support pieces are very strong still. The strap is in good shape. The only oddity is these pockets have sagged. I've never, not even once, used them, but they've sagged on both sides. On the outside, the stitching is perfect. No problems with it at all. You see a little bit sticking up top here. That's actually pilot error. The Velcro is good. All the plastic that tucks around the edges and that tucks into the channel at the top of the Jeep body is intact and doing fine. That plastic piece is two pieces on this bottom edge, and where those two pieces meet, the stitching has failed. These straps are the biggest problem. They both broke, and up top here I stapled them and used Gorilla Glue to hold it together. It's actually working. Both sides have that. At the bottom there's a metal clip that goes through the top and catches the body. Those have failed on both sides. When one failed, it disappeared. This side, I found it and fixed it with a bungee cord temporarily. This is what I've come up with for a fix. These are tie downs for kayaks, and the strap just goes through it. So this failed edge right here that I'm touching, when that breaks, that's your big problem with the zipper. It transfers the stress across and those teeth pop out of the zipper, and then the top won't close properly, as you can see. The rear window is held to the top, on the top edge by this Velcro, but inside of it there are three straps. There should be one right there where my fingers are, and it's broken off. The middle one and the one over to the right are still there and still working. We had to replace this strap as well, and up top, this is actually this. It's the inside door limiting strap for a TJ or an LJ. It stops the door from flying open. It was a last minute repair. I used what I had. So, there is another kayak tie down on this side for that. That hook disappeared when it broke. This stitching let go again and broke the zipper. You can see at the top the way the stress goes across right over that point on the zipper, and that's where it breaks. So, that broke too. That's the same as the other side. The tailgate is fine. The clip-ins above it are okay. Everything is fine except for the pieces that broke. The windows are in good shape. The top is in good shape. When this zipper broke, I had to open it with pliers. It really jammed into place. So when I zip this up, you can see the zipper is actually all bent up from linesman's pliers. But this still works. The bar is still good. And when you take a look at it from hanging it up in the garage, the rear window is still pretty clear. It's just the strap and the zippers on the rear window have failed, and I can't seal the rear end anymore. I'm keeping it. I'm going to go another 8 years if I can, and I'm replacing the rear window. It's a good top. I absolutely recommend it.